Do a quick video to show you how this works. This is a little awesome little press. We're going to go ahead and open it up. Unscrew the cap here, and we're going to put the coffee in. So I've got the grounds full there. Get a little bit of a mess. Go ahead and screw it on. I'm going to unscrew this side and pour the water in. Got nice hot water here. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and screw this top on. Nice and tight. So this unscrews on here so that I can put it on upside down this way. So when I press the coffee, so right in here, I'm going to go ahead and turn this so it comes up. And I'm just going to lightly press. Make sure that's on nice and tight there. Press it so it goes into the cup. All right, so I'm going to press it now.
Okay.
Now we're getting the pressure built up, and then the coffee is starting to come out now. And we have some nice hot coffee now.